How to fix Valorant? A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. For this, you need to open up a Riot client, click profile icon, click settings, click Valorant, scroll down, and click repair files. Once clicking repair, it will start repairing the entire game files. If there is any issue, it will rectify it. So wait for a couple of seconds. It will take some time to repair. Once complete after, a pop-up will appear successfully repaired. You have seen now. Click OK and close it and come to next step. Right click Valorant and click properties and click compatibility and make sure run the program as administrator should be in enable mode. And come to next step. Search for services. Click it. Scroll down and search for VGC. Right click it. Click properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. If it stopped means you need to start it and make sure it should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. After completing one more time, restart it. Once complete after close it and come to next step. Click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Vanguard. Search it and uninstall it. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side. Click it and click uninstall. Once open your client, it will ask for reinstall. So don't panic. Your account will be safe. It will be only uninstalling the Riot Vanguard. Once you open up the Riot client, it will ask for reinstalling the Riot Vanguard freshly. After the next step, open up command prompt, click run as administrative and type the following text sfc space slash scan now. Type it correctly and click enter and wait for a couple of seconds. It will take some time to verifying the each files and folders. If there is any issue, it will rectify it and notify you. You have seen now. If there is no issue, it will notify you. Click exit and restart your device. Thank you.